All right, George Jimmy Sports Cards here. We're doing a 14-15 box of select basketball for TheCardInvestor Sanders. Good luck, man. Yeah, I'm going to send in two for you, Dan. I'm going to send in the cream and the green. The cream to 25 and the Steven Adams to 5. They both look pretty clean. Appreciate that, Dan. Good luck, Sanders. Miles Plumlee, blue. And to 199, Tim Hardaway. Tim Hardaway Sr. Mari Stoudemire, purple. 78s of 99. That guy's signing a lot now, man. Maybe I just haven't noticed it, but he's been. Kevin Durant. Purple. Serge Ibaka and James Harden prisms. You got Larry, sorry. Yeah, I can't even read. Larry Sanders. Karl Malone, purple. And your hits is Markel Brown, orange, rookie jersey autograph. Markel Brown. Larry Worthless Sanders. Nice. Look, Blake Griffin tie-dye. Number to 25. 2 of 25. Tie-dye. Nikola Vukovic, Andrea Bargnani, Karl Malone, not Karl, how about Moses Malone? Jeez. And 83 of 199, Scottie Pippen, dual jersey for the Bulls and Blazers. Bulls and Blazers. And Clint Capella for the Rockets. 66 of 99. That was a box. Appreciate it, Sanders.